Good morning, everyone. This is Pak Booty. Welcome to my channel, Grammar for TOEFL, simple, clear, and powerful. I hope you're all doing well. In our next meeting, we're going to talk about an important topic, mastering prepositions, using nouns, pronouns, gerunds, and noun clauses. This is a crucial subject in the field of grammar, and understanding it is essential for those preparing for TOEFL. The use of colors represents a noun, noun phrase, pronoun, gerund, or noun clause. A preposition is typically followed by a noun, noun phrase, pronoun, gerund, or noun clause. Here's a breakdown. 1. Noun, he sat on the chair. Second noun phrase, he sat on the wooden chair near the window. Third pronoun, he sat on it. Fourth gerund, he sat on thinking about the problem. 5. Noun clause, he sat on what we bought last week. Here's another example using the preposition in. 1. Noun, she put the flowers in the vase. Second noun phrase, she put the flowers in the beautiful glass vase on the table. Third pronoun, she put the flowers in it. Fourth gerund, she found joy in gardening every morning. 5. Noun clause, she put the flowers in what she bought yesterday.
Exercise, Mastering Prepositions. Part 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Choose the correct preposition, in, on, at, to, for, to complete each sentence. 1. She is interested, learning new languages. 2. The book belongs, my sister. 3. We are looking forward, meeting you next week. 4. He apologized, being late. 5. The teacher insisted, completing the assignment on time. Part 2. Identify the noun, noun phrase, pronoun, gerund, or noun clause after the preposition. Underline the word or group of words that follow the preposition, and identify its type noun, noun phrase, pronoun, gerund, or noun clause. 1. I am thinking about my next vacation. 2. She is good at solving puzzles. 3. They are talking about what happened yesterday. 4. The gift is for her. 5. We are excited about the upcoming festival.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.